नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से सॉल्यूशन निकालना है एक्स का। ये एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है ए प्लस बी इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर a+2b+c इंटू एक्स बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू प्लस बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 0. So we need to solve it by the method of factorization. The quadratic equation has been given to us. So we'll try to, in the factorization method, the middle term is important. We will have to break this middle term so that we can get four terms out of these three terms. Here we have three terms at present. The first term is this, the term with x square. The second term is with x, and the third term is without x. So for factorization method, we have to break the middle term into two terms so that we'll get four terms out of three terms. And we have to break the middle term in that so that the middle term is not affected in value, means the whatever the value of three terms is remains same even if we make it a four term equation. Okay, so here we have first term is a plus b and the last term is b plus c. So the middle term is to be broken into two terms such that the first part has something common with the first term, and the second part of this middle term has something common with the last term, that is b plus c. So here we have a plus 2b plus c. So we can say that it is equal to, we'll go with first term as it is. The second term a plus b plus 2c, let us understand here. A plus 2b plus 2c is here. So we can break it like this, a plus b plus b plus c, because 2b can be broken into b plus b. Okay, so you will have these two parts of this this middle term. So this a plus 2b plus c can be written as a plus b plus c into x, and the last term is b plus c as it is. The whole term is equal, the whole equation is equal to 0. We'll go further, a plus b x square as it is. Now this x can be given to two parts. The first part is this and the second part is this. So we'll rearrange the middle term as this, a plus b into x plus b plus c into x, because this, suppose this plus this into x is equal to what? This into x plus this into x. Okay, it is like this only. Suppose you have m plus n into x, so you can write as mx plus nx. This x can be multiplied with these two parts. Same way, the first part is a plus b, which will be multiplied by x, will become a plus b into x. The second part is b plus c, and this will be multiplied by x, so it will become b plus c into x. This is m, this is n. M plus n into x is equal to mx plus nx. And the last term as it is. Now see, we had three terms in the first step. Now we are having four terms. These first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. So now we will try to factorize from the first two terms something that is common between them. We can see that they have a plus b as common, so this will be taken as common. Also this term has x square and this term has x, so x square and x, they have x in common at least. So what is left? Left is x plus, and this whole term has been out as common, so nothing left, so we can write 1. This plus, now you see this is b plus c into x and this is b plus c. So these two terms have b plus c as common thing. So that will be taken out. What is left? X is left here, plus nothing is left means 1 is left here. Okay. Now see that you have this into this plus this is equal to 0. Again, these two terms have x plus 1 as common. So we can take it as common thing out. So what is left? Left is a plus b into x plus b plus c. Okay. Now see, you have two terms in product, two terms in multiplication. This first term and this whole is second term. Two terms are in multiplication and are equal to 0. So when the product of two terms is 0, you can say that either the first term is 0, means x plus 1 is equal to 0, or the second term is 0, means a plus b into x plus b plus c is equal to 0. This is the established rule in mathematics that when the product of two terms is 0, this is in multiplication means this is the product, it is equal to 0. So when the product is equal to 0, so you can say that either the first term is equal to 0 or the second term is equal to 0. So if we take first term as equal to 0 means x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can expand it as this, x plus 1 is equal to 0. We'll first deal with this. Therefore x plus this plus will come here, 0 minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. So here we have got the first solution, x is equal to minus 1. Now uh, actually we have to do it simultaneously, but for convenience I have made this first altogether. Now let's deal with this part. You have here, now let us expand it. A plus b into x plus b plus c is equal to 0. So you can say that a plus b into x is equal to, this whole bracket is taken on the other side. So you are left with minus b plus c on the other side. Okay. A plus b into x is equal to, this will be taken here. So it will become minus b plus c. So a plus b into x, let me write it again so that you can understand full. Okay, this is like this. Here we have some slip of pen, so you can't be able to understand, but here I have written again, a plus b into x is equal to minus b plus c. So what you can say that x is equal to minus b plus c upon a plus b, because this is now in multiplication with x, and when it is taken on the other side it will come into division. So here we have the second solution of x. So you have got x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus of b plus c upon a plus b. So by method of factorization you have got your two answers, either minus 1 or minus b plus c upon a plus b. These are the two possible solutions for x when we factorization, when we apply factorization method for this quadratic equation, and we'll get two solutions. Okay, thank you. We'll try to understand how this can be done with the method of determinant also, means quadratic equation can also be solved by the method of determinant. That will be able to understand how easy one method is and how hard the other method is. But as for now we will be able by this uh, we will be able to identify which method of solution is more suitable to us. But as far as the question is concerned, if the question specifically asks you to solve it by factorization method, so you'll have to do the method, you have to apply the method of factorization only. But when there is no specific method has been asked, so you can solve it by either way. In the next video I'll be explaining you to solve this equation with the method of determinant, and I'll put the link of that video in the description section, so you can also visit that video also, and then you'll be able to understand how one equation can be solved in either way, and you can always go with the method which is more suitable to your understanding. Okay, thank you.